Welcome. We are Moneycopilot LLC. Join us as we share our roadmap to help people along on their journey to better financial health. Your wallet will thank you. It's time for part 1 of our 7-part Building Wealth Through Home and Rental Property Ownership Quickie series. Let's talk about mortgages, lender credits, and grants. When you're looking to buy a house as your primary residence, a lot of things go into that. The very first thing that we want to do, however, is make sure that we can actually afford that house by looking into what types of lending options that we have available to us. A mortgage is a pretty big responsibility, and interest rates can differ depending on your credit score, depending on the place that you're going to actually get the primary residence. A lot of factors can go into that. So one of the first things you want to do, make sure that your credit is in good condition to begin with. Once you're sure that your credit is in good condition to begin with, we are able to then get pre-approvals from multiple lenders. That is key. You can start with one lender, but they're going to give you whatever the terms are for the money that they can provide, which they may have different costs than for other lenders. So it's really important to be able to go to lenders number 2 and lenders number 3 in order to be able to see whether they can offer you the same kind of money, but on different terms, lower interest rates, and then maybe even with some lender credits. Now, what are lender credits? When you're going to get a mortgage, they typically are going to end up selling that mortgage on a secondary market. The people who buy that mortgage are going to incentivize that lender to maybe sell the money at a higher rate. And sometimes that higher rate will come with rebates, essentially, right? Those rebates are essentially those lender credits that they can actually apply to the loan in order to make it a little bit less expensive for you. So not all lenders will do this, but those who practice transparency will actually show that there are lender credits that are associated with a particular mortgage that you're trying to get pre-approved for. And that allows you to do more in terms of stretching your money and applying things that others may not otherwise be able to even think about. Grants are also another way, a great way in fact, to be able to help you get on your journey for getting that first home. Not everybody qualifies for grants. There are typically income requirements. A lot of times the grants can only be put in place when you're going to a particular part of town. And then the reality is not everyone is even aware that grants are available to help you start on your home journey. So first thing we got to do is our research. Find the banks that are involved in grant programs. Some of them are involved in grant programs that go up to like $10,000 to help you get your first home. Now that's $10,000 in free money. Why not go after it, especially if you meet the qualifications? When a grant is actually involved, you put what's necessary to be able to qualify for that grant with the lender, and then they're able to apply that grant money towards sometimes down payment assistance, sometimes closing costs. It really just depends. But any money that can help to multiply your money when you don't have a lot of money in the first place, that's money that you want to go for to help you get on that building wealth journey, right? Because the home ownership itself, it's the beginning of that journey. It is the beginning of that journey because it allows for things to grow that will then allow you to diversify. And diversification leads to so many other great things. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.